In this video, we are gonna look after the Osmania University B.Sc 4th semester regular and backlog important questions. The chemistry most important questions for Sem 4 has been covered in this video, in which all the units 1 to 4 has been covered and analyzed. Of unit 1, that is inorganic chemistry, has been analyzed for you, and all the short and the 4 long questions has been discussed in this video, as well as for the organic, physical, as well as the general part has been given to you. And the star mark questions indicate how important is the each answer for your examination. I request you all to cover up all the questions, be thoroughly prepared with all the questions. Do not fear with the subject chemistry, students. I know chemistry is little tough, but when you work hard, it's very easy, students. So I request you to work hard on the poor subject, like which subject you don't like it, work hard on it and try to solve the problem of getting fail in that examination or getting low grades in that examination. I hear many students complaining that ma'am, chemistry mein backlog aa jata hai and all. I don't think when you study you'll get students. You have to cover all the important questions given by me. At least you'll get pass marks, students. Pass तो कैसे भी हो जाते students, and you can even expect A or A plus grade. You need to cover up all the questions first of all, so that each and everything can be easy for you. Okay, students, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends so that they can also watch and they can also get benefited. Okay, students, thank you so much.